Welcome to BBR. If you're looking to meet with a group of people that can help you grow your business, we have a fantastic group of people that we connect with every week, understand who they are, and help them grow their business through referrals. BBR is a very unique networking group comprised of professionals across all multitudes of disciplines. BBR, growing business by referrals. We meet every Thursday mornings at Sather's at 7:15 in the morning. And Sather's is at 909 West Belmont, very close to the red line. Come join us, come meet people who are members of BBR, help grow your business.
So I have a referral today for Jack. Jack, I have a client who's possibly renovating a home. I'll make sure they reach out to you this week.
I have several people to thank this week, as I do every week, because I use services from this group all the time. And just to prove how strong our network is, I've recently been working with people that I met 8 years ago that sometimes show up, sometimes don't, but the power of referral is alive.
Try to get to your networking events early rather than on time. And I feel that when I do that, it allows me the ability to get an additional amount of networking time. So that's my tip for this week.
BBR, we've got people that want to meet you.